Hi everyone, how are things with you today? I know a lot of you are busy preparing for assignments and exams currently. What's your preparation style? Do you generally leave assignments and exams until close to their due date, or do you break the work down and prepare over time? Either way, I know a lot of you are struggling with adjusting to our new way of working. Not being in college, not being able to study in the library, not being able to consult face to face with your lecturers, classmates and friends. Having limited space to study at home, poor broadband connections, and lots of distractions such as this lovely weather can make getting our work done difficult. Feeling a bit down or finding it hard to motivate ourselves currently is proving a challenge for a lot of us. If you're finding it difficult to sit down and get your work done, are you aware of that little critical voice in the background telling yourself you're lazy, you're never going to get through this mountain of work in front of you? Everyone else is doing better than you are. You're worthless, you're not good enough, there's something wrong with you. Being aware of this self-criticism and how we speak to ourselves is really important. Does this criticism help you get your work done, or does it just make you feel hopeless and bad about yourself? Would you ever speak to anyone else the way you speak to yourself? Practicing self-reassurance at these times is really important. Developing that part of yourself that supports you, tells you it's okay if you're struggling to get the work done. Asking yourself what you can do to help yourself focus, breaking the work down into smaller pieces. Self-criticism and pressure makes it harder for us to get our work done. Allow yourself to make a start without things having to be perfect. A quote I always like to think of when I'm struggling to motivate myself and concentrate is, "On particularly rough days, when I'm sure I can't possibly endure, I like to remind myself that my track record for getting through bad days so far is 100%, and that's pretty good." It seems like a simple thing to do, but over the next few challenging weeks, try to be a little bit nicer to yourself, to treat yourself the same way you would treat a good friend. Please keep sending your questions and feedback to hahi.aiden@itsligo.ie. If you are a student and you'd like to make an appointment with the Student Counselling Service, please email studentcounsellor@itsligo.ie.